Okay, the homemade mini bike. I got a seat on it. I used the back from an office chair, but it's on there pretty good. I think it'll hold up. And I finally got the disc brake on the caliper, and it works. I wanted to put it up here, so I bought this caliper. If I can get it to stay up there. But I didn't want to really drill into here to mount the caliper, so I ended up using a caliper for the other side, and it's underneath, but it was just a simple piece of angle iron to make the bracket. I wish I could have done that a little better. I could always redo it though. But yeah, just a simple piece of angle iron to attach the brake caliper. And the reason the disc is on the same side as the sprocket is that way I can still get my wheel on and off. Somebody asked me why I put the disc brake on the same side instead of the opposite side of the sprocket, but that's why. So now all I really need is an engine. The engine went onto the Megamoto mini bike build. So, oh, and I got the frame painted. You can see that. And, well, that's about it, but at least I'm getting there. Thanks for watching.